Hi, good morning. My name is Jonathan McDevitt, and I'm an MPH candidate in the Purdue Global School of Public Health, currently in the Foundations of Public Health class with Dr. Cameron. This is the video for the first portion of the Unit 3 assignment, where I will define public health. In a separate video, I will have a discussion with one of my colleagues, also an internal medicine cardiologist, about the determinants of public health. First, I'd like to define what is public health. The American Public Health Association defines public health as the field that promotes the health of people and communities where they live, learn, work, and play. This is a rather broad definition for a very broad field. Public health professionals, in my opinion, try to attempt to influence healthcare on a large scale by leveraging public health and healthcare legislation for the good of patients. While a physician's patient is the person that they're seeing in their clinic exam room, a public health professional can have patients like that, but they also have an extended reach to try to help the population at large through the risk factor modification and reduction. In the lecture that we had, we discussed 5 determinants of public health, including individual behaviors and choices, as well as genetic components, as well as environmental, occupational, and social exposures, all of which put people at increased risk. I think some of these examples are just access to care and somebody that's impoverished and unable to see a physician, places where you live that you're at increased occupational risk because of, say, asbestos or occupational mold leading to lung disease, that all can impact the health of professionals. So really, to finally answer the question of this very broad definition is, what is public health? What I surmise is that public health is really the profession that takes the knowledge of medicine, occupational, environmental, and social history to attempt to enact policies and programs to decrease the burden of disease on a population and affecting individual lives in that way.